So we've both been at work today. Yes?
Certainly. Yes, we have.
Because we do both work. That's how we pay for everything. We don't get paid by YouTube or whatever, do we?
No.
So it's going to be a short vlog today. You're off for a run?
Yep, I do a bit of running, so I've been to work. Even though it's raining out and it's dark and it's cold and it's miserable, I like to get out and have a bit of a run.
Not tennis tonight.
Not tennis tonight.
You've got...
It's raining.
Yeah, but you've got a fair bit of tennis coming up, haven't you?
On the weekend, a little bit, a few matches.
I thought while he's out running, I would take you around our local town, which is quite pretty.
And the lights are up there. I haven't really seen it.
Haven't you? Oh, you'll have to watch the vlog. We're lucky enough to have lots of independent shops, and they really do make an effort with the Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. So I'll go and quickly film all of those. You can go and have your run. Yep. As I say, it's going to be a quick one today because we've both been working. If you don't know who we are, we're Angela and Alan. Which one are you?
Which one's? Depends on the day. What is it? What's the day? Friday.
I think we're standing the wrong way round as well.
We're not Ant and Dec, are we?
No. Normally what we would be doing is budget travel, thrifty travel, taking you places, showing you hotel rooms and what you can do in various locations for as little money as possible, because we don't like to spend a lot of money.
I don't. No. I don't like spending money at all.
But being as it's coming up to Christmas, it's Advent, so we're showing you what we do day to day when we're not travelling. Right, you get running. I'll get my coat and go to town.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.